Mr. Paradise, whoop, gifted me this wonderful rat yoke pick, which I'm going to use on this horrible Sargent Signature. Binding on 3. Nice click. 4. Click on 4. Nothing on 5, nothing on 6, nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Click on 2. 1 binding. Click on 1. Back to 5. Binding hard. Always good click. 6. And we appear to be in false, not a full set, but maybe a partial set is a better way to put that. I'm going to grab a flag here. Tack these side pins. Side pin left 2. Click. Side pin left 1. Click, and I think I already brushed past 3. Hit that guy, so right 1 click, right 2, maybe click, right 3, it's hiding here somewhere, right 1, another click on right 1, and right 3. Okay, so I'm not going to turn it all the way because then you have to start picking side bits again, but there it is. Nice, and right. Nice and picked. Alrighty, let's clear up the old screen. Get this guy out. Yeah, I know. My workbench is a mess. So I'd like to thank Georgia Jim for this lock, and Mr. Pickin' Paradise, come on, for the wonderful rat yoke pick, which has served me well so far in fighting this thing, which was a pain in the neck because I got the number of side pins wrong. This is an adventure. Okay. Don't forget your shims. Shim shimmity shim shimmity shim shim shrick. If you don't shim your luck, you could have a brick. Everything is okay. Alrighty. Whoa! Sidebars. Oh boy. And front pins. And I lost at least. Okay. There's a spring for a sidebar. There's another spring for a sidebar. Oh, you see those? There's the sidebar thing there with the little gate. You can see where it's rubbing against the pins. I have lost pin 2, looks like. Put those here. As you can see, this doesn't necessarily offer a whole lot in terms of security, and it is painful to work on. Probably why they aren't particularly popular. the double sidebar thing just kind of adds complexity and doesn't do a whole lot. Security wise. Okay. Here's the other sidebar. And other sidebar spring. And another sidebar spring. I'll keep these separate because I'm not sure if those springs are identical. And I don't know how well you can see that, but these appear to be trapped in there. But I can jiggle this if you can see that. I can jiggle these pins. And you can see the gates show up. And there appear to be 2 key control pins there. So there are 3 active pins, and then whatever these are, I'm not sure what these even do. They're not even key control pins, they just go all the way in. They don't, I don't know, maybe they do something. I don't see a hole for them or anything. Let us see what is up top. It's just standard pins in here, so not to ruin the surprise, but you probably basically observed that during picking. That's the front. Standard. Standard and a bunch of springs. They appear to all be the same spring. So you've seen springs before. Let's just shove the Sith follower through there because we have it. Luke, you can only unlock your true power through. Alright, that was terrible. Terrible pun. The key to power. No, alright. Anyway, Sargent Signature, 6 standard pins, 6 side pins interacting with 2 sidebars, and there it is.